Assalamu alaikum. I am Yasir Mahmud. I am with you today from Dream Academy. So here is our Facebook page link, WhatsApp number, and the YouTube channel link provided so that you can like our Facebook page and as well as you can subscribe our YouTube channels to get more videos. So let's move to today's topic. Today we're going to talk on Ielts speaking test. Ielts speaking test is arranged in three parts, part 1, 2 and 3. Today I'm going to describe about part 1 and some tips and tricks how you should answer your questions in part 1 so that you can score a good many score. So here, what happens in Ielts speaking part 1? We all should know that. So this is what happens in our first here. When you enter the speaking test room, the examiner greet you. Okay, then the examiner will start to record the interview audio. The examiner asks for your ID. The examiner asks your full name. So here, when your examiner asks your full name, you should give your answer more than one sentences. Like, for example, my full name is Yasir Mahmud. So if examiner asks me my full name, I should say my full name is Yasir Mahmud. My family and friends call me Yasir, so you can call me Yasir rather than say only my full name is Yasir Mahmud. So you should give your answer in 2 or 3 sentences. Here, they ask you 2 or 3 introduction warm-up questions about your friends, home, hometown, your work, your study. Today I'm going to discuss about some questions and answers topic on friends so that you maybe understand how you should answer your questions as part 1, and you can practice in your home about all these topics like friend, home, hometown, work or study. I will provide my previous videos link in the description box so that you may watch my previous 2 videos so that you may be get benefited in writing module. So let's start today's topic, friends. Okay, here are the questions, and here is a question and answers. There is the first question: do you have many friends? Why not? So here, nowadays I have more than 15 friends. However, I had more than 40 friends in my school days. Okay. Because of busy life, the number declined. If I count my Facebook friends as real friends, the number would go high. So here, look at the answer. Nowadays, I have more than 15 friends. However, I had more than 40 friends in my school days. Then you give the reason. Because of busy life, the number declined. The reason why the number declined from 40 to 15. Okay, so you should give your answers in 2 or 3 sentences. Okay, more than 1 sentence in fact. So if anyone say that I have more than 50 friends and stop, then you will get a very poor band score. So if you want to get a good band score, then you should elaborate your answer. And then, how often do you go out with friends? Why not? I meet my friends almost once a week. I love to spend my weekends with them, and sometimes I visit different places, watch movies and discuss different topics with them. I mostly hang out with 2 or 3 close buddies and go out with them almost 3 or 4 times a month. Okay, here is your answer. So I believe that you can understand, or you are realizing how you should give your answers in speaking part 1. Okay, so you should do practice at your home, and I will provide some other questions, common questions of part 1 in our Facebook Messenger groups and our Facebook group Dream Academy family, so that you can collect the questions and prepare your answer regarding your IELTS exam. Next question, tell me about your best friends at school. My best friend at school was Alex. He was a great friend. He was tall and brave. He taught me how to show courage when we are in trouble. Though he lives in Australia now, he regularly communicates by Skype. You can say by Skype, by WhatsApp, by Facebook, or other social media as you like. I especially liked him because he was more like a brother than a friend to me. Next question, how friendly are you with your neighbors? So here another question we are going to solve. I must say I am lucky to have good neighbors who are always supportive and well behaved. I'm quite close to them. We have been living in our neighborhood for more than a decade, and our neighbors have become our close relatives. I respect their opinion, privacy, and try to step forward whenever they need me. Okay. So here is the last question today's. Which is more important to you, friends or family? Why? So here you should say, to be honest, family comes first. However, there are some friends who become our family members. The bond between family members is often stronger, but this doesn't mean that we do not have friends who are less important in our life. Being with the family makes us who we are. So being with the family makes us who we really are, and friends makes our life worth living. So in our answers, look at the answers carefully. Here we make some comparison. We use here complex sentences, compound sentences. Okay, we try to use however. Sometimes we use though, and here we use but and but in our sentences. So try to use them, okay, in your answers to get a good band score. So the if you use all these things, if you use compound sentences, complex sentences, sentences with though, although, you can use however, moreover, okay, then the examiner will understand that your English language proficiency is really good and the depth is quite good enough, and he or she will mark you. Okay, so here I am going to discuss about some other questions. Okay. These are the IELTS Part 1 common questions which I have, and I will give it in my next videos, so that you can make your answers according to your own experience, and you can get a good paper preparation for the IELTS speaking test. And I will provide all these questions in my YouTube channel in the next videos, as well in my Facebook Messenger group and in my Facebook group, Dream Academy Family. So if you want to join our Facebook Messenger group or Facebook group Dream Academy Family, you can join. And if anyone among you want to join, then you can comment in our comment section. I will give you the link so that you can join very easily. So for today, that's it, and that's enough for today. Bye bye. Assalamu alaikum.